Did you know when you send a message online, it doesn't travel in one piece? It gets shredded into tiny packets shot across the planet and reassembled in milliseconds. And sometimes, your data literally travels under the ocean. Yeah, the internet is basically the fastest global delivery system ever built. And today, we're opening the hood. Welcome to the Smart Feed crew. Today, we're breaking down something we use every single day, but almost nobody actually understands: how the internet works. From data packets to underwater cable to servers that never sleep. Let's dive in. The internet is not one thing. First, surprise, the internet isn't a single system. It's actually millions of computers connected together. Think of it like a giant global city. Your phone? That's your house. Websites? Those live in buildings called servers. And the roads connecting everything? Those are network cables and routers. Now here's the crazy part. When you open a website, your device sends a request like, "Hey, can I see this page?" That request gets split into tiny packets of data. Each packet contains a part of the message, the destination address, instructions for reassembly. Then, those packets race across the internet, sometimes taking different routes. It's like sending a puzzle through dozens of delivery trucks and rebuilding it at the destination. All of that happens in milliseconds. The hidden highways of the internet. Most people think the internet lives in satellites, but that's mostly wrong. Around 95% of global internet traffic travels through fiber optic cables, and many of them are under the ocean. Thousands of miles of cables stretch across the seafloor connecting continents. Some cables run over 8,000 miles long. Inside those cables, glass fibers thinner than hair. Data moves through them as pulses of light. Not electricity, light. Which means your video call, meme, or email out might travel. City, coast, ocean floor, another continent, server, back to you. All in about a fraction of a second. It's basically a light-speed highway system across the planet. Here are some mind-blowing internet facts. 1. The internet never sleeps. Servers around the world run 24/7. If one fails, traffic automatically reroutes. The internet is built to survive problems. 2. Google searches travel far. When you search something, your request might travel thousands of miles to reach the right server and return results in less than a second. 3. Routers are internet traffic cops. Routers constantly decide, where should this data go next? Billions of decisions happen every second. 4. The internet was originally a military project. It began in the 1960s as ARPANET. The goal? Build a communication system that could survive disasters. That same design still powers the modern internet. So the next time you send a message, stream a video, or load a website, remember what's actually happening. Your data is broken into packets, sent across global networks, traveling through fiber optic cables, sometimes crossing entire oceans, all to arrive back on your screen, almost instantly. The internet isn't just technology. It's one of the largest engineering systems humanity has ever built. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe to the Smart Feed crew. Bonus fact: the internet weighs about 50 grams. Yup, scientists once calculated the energy used by all the electrons moving online at once, and it weighs about the same as a strawberry. The internet, a global system lighter than fruit. See you in the next one.